How to use Smart Safe. So your hotel room might have a safe that looks a bit like this. There could be a bit of card which tells you how to use it, but a lot of the time it doesn't actually give you the correct instructions, or you may not have a card at all. So this is how you're going to use it. The first step is to make sure you press in and close the door. Then you want to go ahead while you're pressing and closing it and type in the number you want. Then click the hashtag lock button after you've typed in the 4-digit code in the bottom right hand corner. Then that will lock it. You can go ahead and take your hand off. Then if you want to unlock it, go ahead and type in the number. You don't need to then click the hashtag or key to actually do that. It just does a 4-digit number to unlock it. That's how it's done. So this is how you unlock it, the 4-digit code, then the bottom right hand corner button, or there might be a variation of this on your safe itself, but you need to make sure as well it is pressed in. As you see there, if you do the number then the code is not pressed in, then it will actually not close properly. So you need to make sure it's pressed in, make sure it's locked like that. That's how to use it. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.